Good morning. My name is Camille and I'm from eZENtial Yoga. Today we're going to be doing shoulder mobility. So just a short video just to show you how to loosen up your shoulders. A lot of times when we're either on our phones or at our computers, we have like a hunched or a forward rounded shoulder posture. So these are stretches or different yoga poses to try to get our shoulders back. If you find that you wake up and you have tension in your neck or tension in your shoulders, or you find that you're forward shoulders. A lot of times if you stay in this position for a while, you're gonna eventually have either like a hunched position or a hunched posture, or you'll have some neck and back problems. So let's try to get ourselves nice and upright. Okay, so first one that we're gonna do, real simple actually, is we're gonna bring our shoulders up and bring them back. Okay, so let's bring them up and back. Now, you have two wonderful things on the back of your in your thoracic spine, which are your scapula. They look like little wings. Okay, so if I turned around and showed you, so if I went up and back, here's my scapula right here. They look like little wings. Okay, so you want to sort of try to roll your shoulders so that they come back together. Okay, and you really want to try to keep them together. So you almost want them to, you want to visualize bringing them together. Okay, so that's called scapular retraction, bringing them together. Okay, so I'll be talking a lot about scapula today with, they go hand in hand with shoulders. Okay, so I'll turn back around. All right, so here we go. So we're going to inhale, bring your shoulders up and back. Let's have our hands rotated like our palms up to the sky. We can close our eyes at this point. We're just going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Really focusing on keeping our shoulder blades together, keeping our shoulders back, pushing our chest out. Now, bringing your hands to heart center, you're going to interlace your fingers and you're going to push your palms out. Okay, now if you're not able to have your arms straight, you can have them sort of, elbows bent. What I want you to do is you're going to push your palms out, and I want you to actually feel those shoulder blades come apart. So before, when we're back, they were called scapular retraction, or bringing those shoulder blades together. Now you're going to bring them apart, and that is called scapular protractions. Now we're separating them out, so they're coming, apart. Okay, so you're spreading them apart, and all you're doing is you're pushing your hands away from you. Okay, so you're going to feel a nice stretch all along your shoulders. You're going to feel your shoulder blades come apart. Okay, so I'm pushing my hands towards you. Now, at this point, if you can, try to just drop your chin to your chest or towards your chest. You're going to feel a nice stretch in your neck, of course, your shoulders, and your upper back. So we're inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. Now you can release that. See, and we always come back to our posture, always come back to that upright position, okay? Now, my right hand is gonna come up and you're gonna pat yourself on your back, okay? So you're coming back behind your head, just wherever you can land. So you're patting yourself on the back. Okay, so I'd like you to feel a nice stretch all along your tricep. Now, if you're feeling the stretch here without any other assistance, stay here. That's great. Your other hand, so my left hand is going to come up over my head and it's going to rest on my elbow. See if you can maybe pull it in towards your head to give it just a little bit more. So we're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now these are all stretches that will eventually, you'll be able to get into binds and you'll be able to, you can go into eagle arms and, cow face and all that. But we're just working on beginner stretches at this point. So we don't want to skip over the basics to go into binds and reverse prayer arms and stuff like that. So let's get you stretched out first. Okay, so we're going to release that. My left arm comes up. Pat yourself on the back because you're here doing this with me. If you feel it all along your tricep, great. You can stay there. Right arm can come in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now we're going to release that. Now let's do one more. Move this for a red hot second. Now, you can be on your knees. You can spread your knees out, maybe sit. Now, what I want you to do is I'm going to put right arm over to my left, left arm over to my right. So my right arm is under my left. And we're just going to cross and just try to come down as far as you can. Hey, look, if you're up here and you feel a stretch, fantastic. You don't have to go any further, okay? If you can go down a little further, great. You want to feel a shoulder stretch in the capsule, right in the shoulder joint, okay? And your head can just relax. So we're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to unwind and we're going to go the opposite way. Okay, so now my left hand goes under my right. As I said, if you're up here and you feel a stretch, that's great. If you can go a little further, that's great too. Relax the chin. You can sort of relax the chin on your bicep. And we're breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Unwinding. See, we're all nice and loosey-goosey in our shoulders, ready to start the day. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to have a series of different videos, so definitely watch out for them. Once again, my name is Camille, and I'm from eZENtial Yoga. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.